we have
all kind of seafood.
Yeah,
it's so
there are
fresh.
like so many
It's
food
so
plates.
chubby. I ordered a lot.
Yeah,
a lot.
how many did you order? What's up, YouTubers?
Good morning, guys.
This is day 3 for those of you who just joined the vlog. We are in Nha Trang
It's your last day here.
already.
Yeah.
Yeah, we just got out of the gym and we're here on the beautiful beach,
Yeah.
white sand and bluish water.
Yeah, I really like the fact that we have those beach chairs reserved for us instead of having to haggle for beach chairs here because they can get really costly if you know.
It's 100,000 Vietnamese
Well,
dong
they tell you it's 100,000 Vietnamese dong. I remember last time,
3 years ago.
yeah, it was 50,000 Vietnamese dong, and the local told us that it should be 40. So
Yeah, so you have to negotiate down your price.
It's confusing. But hey, we're here at the beach. It's a beautiful day, and we're gonna enjoy the beach a little bit. Those are well, we used to have the one that are grilled.
Wow, this cafe soda will not last very long on this beach. We just crossed the street and it's starting to melt already. By the way, guys, it is like 31 degrees.
Okay.
We just tried to walk on the sand. Oh my god, you could cook something on the sand right now. On the sand, it feels like 50. Yeah, I'm not exaggerating. God, this sand, it's hot. It's really hot. I'm sorry for the shaking footage. Have to run on the beach. Oh my god, it's hot, it's hot, it's hot. Oh, I feel better now. Woo!
How's the water today, Jade?
So good.
So today, guys, we're gonna spend the day on the beautiful beach of Nha Trang, and in the evening we're gonna bring you guys to a very good local seafood restaurant. If you happen to be in Nha Trang, you wanna try that restaurant, that's for sure. And then we're gonna end the night at the Sailing Club. That club has been on the scene for over a decade, if not more. Alright guys, so we just moved from the beach to here, a very local place. We took the strip and went south, crossed the bridge.
Yeah, it's basically right next to the Sham Temple that's right over there.
Yeah, on the previous vlog.
Yeah, so if you don't have a motorbike, oh, that's very noisy. So if you guys don't have a motorbike and you're taking a Grab or a taxi, you might as well do the temple first, and then when it closes at 6, you can go have a nice supper here, and they have a display of seafood. We're gonna go check it out.
Alright, let's go, I'm hungry.
So you have all the seafood from the day here, and all the prices are marked on the board over there. So I know it's in Vietnamese, but you know, Google Translate helps with the type, and you can also ask for them to point which one it is for you, and it's by kilo.
Này tên là
We have 1 kilo of oyster.
Sounds like
Jade, where are you? Okay, all right. So Jade picked everything so quickly, I couldn't able to film. But we
There's all
have,
kind of seafood.
yeah,
It's so
there are
fresh.
like so many
It's so
plates.
chubby. I ordered a lot.
Yeah, how many did you order?
5 different kinds.
Yeah, and it goes by kilo or half kilo, so.
Yeah, so we're gonna be very full. Also give you a lot of side dishes. Those are not included, they're extra. At this restaurant, they're 10,000 Vietnamese dong each. But if you're at other restaurant, make sure to ask for the price because it could be in for a surprise. And
Yeah.
wet naps as well are extra if you do use those.
General
Otherwise-
rules, nothing is free. Ask for the
Yeah,
price and
so
you will not be surprised.
Those are free, not the wet naps, okay? Just so you know. Those are so good.
And this is like salt and pepper.
Yeah, some chili.
Yeah.
It's sweet and salty, and you dip your mango in it. Oh,
And they
yeah.
cook everything so quick and fast here. Here comes our oyster. Wow, they cook everything so
Can you
fast
believe
here.
that 1 kilo of those oysters already cooked and everything is only 100,000 Vietnamese dong? It's just crazy. So loud out there. But that's part of the fun.
Oh wow. You try this at home and you tell me. Perfume leaf, if I translate that, in Vietnamese called rau thơm, and it really goes well with the seafood. Look at this one. Oh, still hot. Oh, wow. The green onion with the peanuts. Oh my god. Oh my god, this camera is gonna be so messy by the end. We have here, it's some sea urchin.
Yeah, we ordered 4 of them. So they opened it in half and they cooked it, and we ordered the cooking with peanut and green onion as well because it's the best flavor. Or they can also cook it with egg in it. We've tried it before and we don't quite like it. So my technique to eat it is to put it in this little bowl so you don't, stink yourself with the little urchin shards. And then you can see it has like 5 branches. That's what you guys, in Canada we eat on sushis. So they put 1 of those on sushis, but here it's already cooked. So there are 5 of them. You just take a spoon, you scrape it. So there goes 1 piece. You take a little bit of peanut, little bit of green onion. It's so good. The flavor of the urchin, I love it, and it's so pricey back at home.
Yep, how much is it?
Those are 35,000 Vietnamese dong per each. So the 4 of them, it's 140 for the 4 of them. So we have some razor clams. Oh, I have all kind of clams here. 3 kinds of clams. Those are razor clams. They're 300,000 Vietnamese dong per kilo. So we took half a kilo here. Those are so chubby. If you look at them, look how chubby they are. They're so good. And then we're gonna dip it. Those are already sweet chili actually, so I'm not even gonna dip it.
Chewy?
It's chewy, the texture, because it's so chubby as well. And it's a little bit spicy, a little bit sweet because it's a sweet chili sauce on it. It's really, really good.
Guys, I don't know my clam or my snail, so you correct me down there in the comment section, but these one looks like scallops to me. Okay, let's try them. Again, they are grilled over charcoal and you have to detach that. And my favorite thing to do is to dip here with some salt and pepper, lemon and chili. Oh wow.
And those were 200,000 Vietnamese dong per kilo, and that's half a kilo, guys.
You think I can keep the shell after the meal?
The shells are so pretty, yeah?
Yeah.
So those are the most expensive item we got. That's half a kilo, and they're 200,000 Vietnamese dong per kilo. They're another kind of clam. I don't know if you guys can see, but they're really fatty. Like they're really big, and I like it with a little bit of the sauce here. And we're gonna try to dig it out. Wow, it's so big. It's so big. It doesn't want to come out.
So it doesn't splash out. Oh, you have it.
Okay.
It looks juicy.
It's so big.
Alright guys, so we just left the busiest restaurant in Nha Trang. I'm just kidding. But we are now at the Sailing Club. It's one of the most famous in Nha Trang.
And I'm gonna go check out the Sailing Club for some friends.
For you, Jake. You love that song.
You like Backstreet Boys?
Oh, come on. That was like long time ago.
Yeah, when we started dating, like he made full CDs of those for me, and I had to listen to those. Oh
Do you guys know karaoke? I bet you guys know karaoke. If there was karaoke, oh man, we would rock the stage. Not true.
I hate karaoke. I'm not Asian that way.
But when I'm
Asian
drunk,
when it comes to food, not when it comes to karaoke.
well, I'm Asian when it comes to beer and singing, so Alright guys, it's only 10 p.m. and we already have to leave. The party is not yet started.
But our bus is super early tomorrow, so we have to get up at 5:30
a.m.
Yeah, so no choice but to go home and pack and up to Muine tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow we're going to Muine. It's a sandy place. I've never been there actually.
Yeah, it's supposed to be a microclimate, but anyway, you guys will see tomorrow.
Alright, so like usual, don't forget to hit the 3 things that make us happy, you know.
Like button, give us a
subscribe.
comment, and don't forget to subscribe.
Alright, bye.